Welcome moms and sirs to this channel webinar pages, your training and development channel where you can learn, lead, and make a difference. If this video has helped you, please click like, subscribe, and share in return. We will be very grateful. How to design and develop a professional development PD program. Do you want to submit a training program for NEAP recognition? Or do you want to be a NEAP certified learning facilitator? Or do you want to assess a proposed training program? If you're or any one of this, you must have background knowledge in designing and developing a professional development using the NEAP Form R.1. The first page of the form will ask about the learning service provider profile. You will write here the service provider's complete name, office address, contact person, mobile number, telephone number, and email address. NEAP authorization number for authorized private institutions. For Deep Ed, just leave it blank. On writing the rationale on the program profile, the PD program's rationale clearly indicate results of training needs assessment TNA conducted, utilizes the ULGNA results V's is the professional standards, competency framework, and PD priorities to develop course design. The PDA program's rationale include research-based data, foreign or locale, to support the need for the program. The PD program's rationale cite peer-reviewed research and literature to support the proposed content, methodology, and delivery modalities. Professional development priorities. The proposed professional development program course indicate at least one targeted PEP Step Shopsys domain, strand, and indicator identified in the 3-year DP professional development priorities 2020 and other emerging needs of the department. On program description, follows the SMART principle in APST, audience, behavior, condition, degree. Method in formulating terminal and enabling objectives. Are the program objectives specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, SMART? Specific. Do the objectives clearly state what needs to be done? Behavioral uses action verbs instead of stated verbs. And who will do it? Action V's stated verbs define V's understand, perform V's commit, practice V's appreciate. Measurable. Do the objectives clearly indicate an action that can be measured? Achievable. Are the objectives reasonable and realistic? Can they be attained given the time allotted? Relevant? Do the objectives fit the purpose of the program, the functions of the target participants? Does the attainment of the terminal and enabling objectives support the attainment of the indicators of the Philippine Professional Standards for teachers, Philippine Professional Standards for school heads, and Philippine Professional Standards for supervisors of the target career stages of them? Participants? Do the enabling objectives support the attainment of the terminal objective? On the target participant. Does the proposed PD program clearly identify the target participants, teachers, school heads, and tier supervisors? Does the participant's profile provide other essential details of the target participants such as career stage, key learning stage, learning area, years of experience, and others, as may be required? Observes gender, equality, disability, and social inclusion, GEDSI, in adherence to the Equal Opportunity Principle. Delivery platform. Adopts appropriate, relevant, and cost-effective delivery modes, EGI, in-person, hybrid, and online, compliant with existing issuances. Course list. Will the attainment of the terminal and enabling objectives support the attainment of the professional standards covered? Course design. Do the session objectives state clear directions in producing outputs? Are the session objectives, content, and assessment logically connected with the target domain C, strands, and indicators of the professional standards covered? Are there key topics in the sessions that will help achieve the target professional standards? Are there assessment of knowledge and skills leading to the attainment of the target professional standards? Does the proposed course design employ valid and authentic assessment strategies and tools? Validity. Do the assessment strategies and tools measure what they're supposed to measure, consistent with the objectives? Authenticity. Will the assessment strategies and outputs allow the participants to apply learning in practical contexts and scenarios? Does the course design of the proposed PD program describe in detail the methodology in each session? Do the methodologies provide opportunities for frequent and varied participants' engagement, such as contributing ideas to group problem solving, giving examples from own experience, illustrating concepts, etc.? Adopts the adult learning approach and methodology experiential learning approach in designing the course. Do the activities or sessions of the proposed PD program consistently employ opportunities for participants to be active, experiential, social, self-directed, and goal-oriented? Do the activities or sessions of the proposed PD program consistently employ best learning practices such as motivational mood, setting activities, modeling, multiple checks for understanding, guided practice, and independent practice, closure with opportunity for feedback such as exit slips, workplace application plan, and on-site monitoring? Does the proposed PD program consistently demonstrate management of a learner-friendly and inclusive learning environment? Does the professional development program proposal include an evaluation form intended for measuring the participants' training experience satisfaction? Does the proposed professional development program employ appropriate assessment strategies, pre-test, post-test, specific aligned outputs, and opportunities for workplace application plan, WAP? Does the course design observe GETC, gender equality, disability, and social inclusion? Curriculum vitae. Do the speakers, facilitators, KeyBs indicate their expertise, educational background, aligned with the proposed PD program's target EBS/TAPS domains, strands, and indicators? Do the speakers, facilitators, KeyBs indicate their competencies, previously delivered conducted programs and activities, aligned with the proposed PD program's content and target PEP/STEPS domains, strands, and indicators? Program course implementation plan. Does the itemized expenditure indicated in the budget estimate template match the delivery modality indicated in the proposed PD program? Is the itemized expenditure indicated in the budget estimate template CU within the allowable limits based on government budgeting, accounting, and auditing rules and regulation? Does the registration fee indicated in the budget estimate template match the PDE program's delivery modality? Monitoring and evaluation. Does the PD program's MNE plan reflect appropriate indicators in each of the 4 levels of Kirkpatrick model, consistent with the PD program's objectives? Level 1, reaction level 2, learning level 3, behavior level 4. Result? The last part of the form is the declaration to be signed by the program manager. Remember that if you are submitting a program for NEAP recognition, the required attachments are detailed course design, sample learning resources, slide decks, session guides, assessment tools, curriculum vitae, budget estimate form, monitoring, and evaluation plan.
Submitted in 5 separate folders: Folder 1 Budget Estimate, Folder 2 CV of Resource Persons, Folder 3 Form R.1, Folder 4 Monitoring Tools for Level 1 and 2, Folder 5 Soft Copies of Slide Decks.
Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you, please click like, subscribe, and share in return. Thank you, and mabuhay.